Hello guys, it's me Prince. So you're wondering why the hell did I didn't post from a couple days, even though at the last video I said an, a week. Well, you see, I went to a ship and it took a lot of a lot of days until I arrived to my island, and then I realized that I have no Wi-Fi and also no load. So that means I cannot play any Roblox games or this game right here. Since I download it, then when I got to this house, and also this is Warship. This is a fun game for me because I cannot get War Thunder, so this is the only thing I have. So I start with the helicopter because I need to know smoke and I can't see any sources super fast. And there's a nearby helicopter over there. Oh man, helicopter. Oh shit! Wait, is it attacking the ship? No, it's not. Because it's attacking the helicopter. Let's see if not again. I got you, my helicopter. I always got you. I always got you. Whoa, that big damage. Oh god damn it. Well, I did a sacrifice of goodbye shit. God damn it. Yeah, I'm gonna cut. Okay. Again. I'm going to cut us. I mean, nothing. First thing first, helicopter. Why the hell did it fucking explode even though I was starting to start the engine? It doesn't really make any sense. Well, we have to do it at the old days before I even use the helicopter. Oh shit, I forgot there's a rock there. Close. If they are the feature when you crash into a ship, the ship will crash. That would be so funny. If you're right now, got him. Oh shit! I didn't realize it. Oh, there's two ships coming at me. Bro shooting at him as a shield right now. Come on, reload. Reload. Even though I'm almost dead, I will still survive, mother. Thank God I just blocked. I just said instead of the real word. You know what I mean. Okay, now time to cut until I get to the enemies. Wait, what the hell? Why the hell are they at the base and I'm taking damage? Oh no. I need to... I'm healing right now. Okay, now it's time to cut. This is the great moment to cut. Okay, so... Bro literally made the dead ship, the abandoned ship pala, as a shield. Like if you target the abandoned ship, man, what the hell are you doing? Bro, don't make me crash to you. Oh. Take that. Yeah. Now it's time for the end for you. For you. Yeah, for you. Okay, bro. I didn't even do it. My teammate did. And it's time for another. So that's all it. Yeah, that's the challenge. Just winning the game. So hope you enjoy. So that's the end of the video. So hope you enjoyed it. If you want more of these videos, hit that like button and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed. And just I do not listen to my parents.